Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily disable two-step verification in WhatsApp. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and write your comments after watching. And friends, let us get started with you. So, first of all, please open the WhatsApp app on your device. After that, you'll have to from the chats or from the WhatsApp homepage go to the settings option on the bottom right. Next, you will need to select accounts. And here you will be able to see an option called two-step verification. Click on it. And now to disable it, you'll just need to click right here and confirm your action. Thus, the two-step verification in WhatsApp will be disabled. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you out. You are able to see how you can easily disable two-step verification in WhatsApp app. Please friends, don't forget to put likes below the video. Also write your comments and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.